Okay, so you know what I want to do? I want to clean up this freaking code, man. We need to do some serious work here. All right, so I think I'm going to start an entirely... Well, maybe I'll just rename this thing. Let's just rename this. So first we're going to do this. Put this in here. Okay. And I wonder if I can just rename everything. This needs to... So we want to generalize this. But we want to generalize this to work with a double pendulum. So that then we can just say animate, animate n pendulum or something like that. But for right now, maybe we could just, I don't know. Okay, and then what I want to do is move the Lagrangians out of here because we can just put them all in one place. So the Lagrangian so this is the single pendulum Lagrangian. And then let's get the double pendulum Lagrangian, which is honestly not even that complicated. Okay. Now, let's see, what else so we can delete this. We're going to rename the package and the repo to make it golf model. These force eeks, these never really made sense to me. So I'm just going to delete this file. I'm sure it's right. ChatGPT probably generated it, but I just don't know. Okay, this is important. I want this in here. So let's document this. This is a helper for continuous events that terminates the integration on a conditional and enforces that that t is greater than 0. Okay. Double pendulum Lagrangian is pretty self-explanatory. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? So we can get rid of this. We'll export that. Oh, and then one thing that we need to do, really, for real, is figure out how to make this work with units. Because I really do... So, actually, wait, hold on. We should look at the documentation and say units. Because everything that they do, they think units are not important. But I think units are important. So these docs are good. We need to look at that. So there's something angles, right? So let's just do this. So we have using dynamic quantities, right? Okay, so wait. We want to do this, right? We want to do u rad. Okay, good. All right. So Dude, it is so windy. Holy cow. All right. Okay, so what I want to know is how to do this. Okay. Okay, so whatever. We want double pendulum Lagrangian, right? All right. So in here, we want t in units, and I forget what I did in golf, because in golf, I think we had explicitly independent variables t, right. We did this. And so what I'm wondering actually is modeling dot t. So I want to say, is there a get units thing? Get unit? There is. So if we do get unit, the get unit of modeling toolkit.t, it's a second. Okay, so that's good. So we don't actually need this. So then if we do get unit of d, what is d? Oh, but okay, but all right, we'll get to the paper stuff, and I want to go over it. Okay, so this is actually, we don't even need this. So we want, okay, so we want to put a quadratic solve in here, because I actually do want to I'm curious, is this? It is so windy. I want to look at the wind speed. It says 9 miles an hour, but it is definitely not 9 miles an hour. Winds are crazy. Maybe this is light for other people, but this is crazy wind. All right. That's absurd. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I love. Wait, can we just see what do we have and what do we use? Because I'm gonna get rid of all of this Grobner shit. I'm gonna get rid of RM Grobner. Get rid of bifurcation kit. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna get rid of those, and then I want to update because I want to see my code break, and I want to use Modeling Toolkit 10 because Modeling Toolkit 10 looks pretty sick. Okay, so wait, update. This is gonna take forever. So wait, why don't I add polynomials? Wait, actually, do I want polynomials or do I just want roots? Because isn't there a roots.jl? But is this numerical root finding? But it probably... Yeah. Look at all this stuff it added. How did HTTP get installed? That's psychotic. Okay, we're gonna have to investigate. This maneuver's gonna take us fucking 30 years. $285, dude. Should I cancel this? I should probably cancel this. Let's kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Dude, no, why am I adding this dependency? What is wrong with me? No, what's holding back? What is holding it back? We need to figure that out. I think that's what I want to do. That looks right. Oh, what? Oh, wait, what's in my compat? Oh, because it did it. Bro. Bro, if I just delete all of compat and I just update, All right. I wonder what broke. Let's go to... Oh, good. I wanted this. Operating point. Wow, they changed... Dude, they changed that? That's crazy. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. For the guy I use rules, man. This thing is still dung, but at least it's better than everything else. Okay, let's while we wait for that, let's look at our paper. So this is wrong, bro. What is this? I'm gonna go put on some pants. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, that's so cool. These guys are psycho. What? The most valuable thing that I've seen recently is Tom Seven being like, they cared more about it looking good and seeming right than being good. And hold on. God, dude, I fucking love Tom Seven.
It has come to my attention that there exist people who walk this earth unbothered when the hyperlink contains a trailing or leading space. They look at this and think, that's fine. You see the problem though. Enhance that. Yeah, that's Adobe Illustrator, which costs $600 a year. Now, I am not like that. I'm a detail guy. Like, if you work with me and you send me a PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to spend most of my time making sure that the bullets are the same color and size. How do you even do it? It's like the people that made the software don't even care. I'm bothered by details everywhere I go. If a character in a TV show is handling a coffee cup, but I can tell from its moment of inertia that the cup does not contain any liquid, I completely lose suspension of
Bro,
disbelief.
he's so
If I'm
right,
staying in a
though.
hotel, I need to turn off auto motion smoothing on the hotel television, even if I don't plan to watch TV. And then by a miracle of physics, while filling up this one water bottle, I've somehow saved more than one plastic water bottle. Now, I don't care how as your H2C is, that's a logical impossibility. I can barely bear to play the word game Wordle, whose expert mode rules are simply wrong. It says right in there, any revealed hints must be used in subsequent guesses. And if you think about it, they just did this wrong. It's just wrong. It would be easier to implement it the right way, but it's buggy. One time, and this is not an exaggeration, someone sent me a presentation to edit, and I found myself spell correcting their lorem ipsum text. It had said lorem ipsum, which is funny. I think about that incident a lot, but the person that wrote that probably doesn't. He probably hasn't even read the Wikipedia article on lorem ipsum. This is our villain. I'll call him lorem ipsum. He's the kind of guy that mostly cares about it looking good and sounding right, not being good and being right. For example,
That's the quote that I was trying to find. Not being good and being right. It needs to be good and it needs to be right. It doesn't need to seem good because that's not what we're doing. We're doing something that is good. Okay. Let's get back to writing the paper. All right, let's close everything. Okay. All this stuff makes no sense, but that's fine. So likely I'll write some code that so I'll probably have to okay, so the first thing is we are going to do the forced single pendulum Lagrangian. And we're going to delete this. And we're going to do T, D, get rid of this, get rid of this. Okay, we are going to add printf. And then the thing is, okay, so now we need to go to units. All right, unit theta is going to be rad per second. No, rad. And same with this. Okay, now here, this is going to be unit meters. Unit kilograms. Gravity meters per second squared. Oh, wait. Rad per second. You know, that's actually interesting. If you do, so first off, this needs to be T now. And we also need to do, we need to rename our package. This is going to cost us 20 million years also. Let's just call it golf model. Damn, the compilation time is crazy. Okay, so we got the units for that. Let's export everything though. And okay, so we exported everything. Okay. Okay, so the forcing functions. Okay, these are right. These are done. What is this again? Nah, I really do want to do that. What I want though is dude, this is psycho. Holy cow. Does anyone know about this, bro? What is going on? This is crazy. Okay, while we do that, let's just focus on maybe the bibliography. Okay, and we should really do this. But the thing is, this gets displayed as Unicode, but I'm wondering, does that appear as the same as in, like if I do, where am I going to be? Let's be like right here. Okay, so if I have this, that is a totally different thing. Even if I do this. Oh, actually, Okay, good. Wait, no, but see, look at that one. Ah. It's because two different things are happening. It's because two different things are happening. So the problem with these latexify things, dude, is this ever gonna end? I feel like I'm in hell. This is psycho. I feel like it's hung. Bro, this is the thing about Julia in general. You just never know when things are broken versus when it's just doing something really stupid. Okay. However, to document a system's structural stuff like dependent variables, independent variables, units, that kind of thing, that we can write code for, and that's not going to be too hard. I'm fine with that. But the issue is definitely I think it's just broken. I think it's not doing anything. Let's just try to let's cancel this. Oh, see, exactly. See what exactly. It's like you have no idea when it's doing something good or it's doing something terrible. Okay, well, let's take this opportunity to do the rename then. Uh, Internet Explorer. Okay, so let's do some crazy stuff here. So this is just going to be called golf model. Okay. Now we're going to open up VS Code. It's going to be like golf model. I don't know what a golf model is. So we need to then, okay, then I need to do this. Open file, open folder. Dev golf model. Or .julia dev golf model. Okay. Now, everywhere that I see math 2a, math 2a, or 2b, right? 2b, we are going to replace it with golf model. Is this respecting get ignored files though? I don't know if it is or not. The manifest.toml doesn't have the project name in it. That's fine. Okay, so That's fine. This should then go back to normal. Oh, it's just too bad. Just too bad. It's like Rust is just not the right tool, but Julius, it's so frustrating. It's just so slow. You just spend your whole life waiting. All right. I want to do this by angles. I want to fix this diagram. I hate this. So it's good enough. I feel like it's stuck. Like it was on this a second ago. Wait, then. Oh yeah. See, there you go. I don't trust it in VS Code. Bro, fuck it. You know I can't resist. I can't resist doing the exact thing that's gonna take me fucking the longest amount of time to actually do anything real. Oh wait. Oh, that's gonna take forever actually. I wish I didn't do that. Because then you need to pre-compile. It's 5,000 packages. All right. Oh yeah, actually. All right, so let's just think about let's just go back to the to-do list. What do we need to do? Um, I kind of wanted to do this route finding thing, but I don't know. By the way, why is no one else online? Everyone else stopped working. Why? Okay, wait. So first, actually, I wanted to do this. J. Right. That's what I thought. And then you do it again, and then it's a cache miss. It's just like so broken, man. It's like you do it here, and then you do it again, and it's like, oh, I just forgot what I did. God. I knew it. It's like I knew that. It's like, whoa. I've never seen this error before. Whoa. That would be hilarious. think I'm gonna go on a run. I'm gonna wait for this to compile, and I'm just gonna end the stream. I haven't done absolutely nothing. I need to do some exercise. This isn't working. I'm too sleepy. Oh, no. Oh, shit. I have a bunch of chemistry to do. Fuck. Do this chemistry, bro. Dude, Diffie is like the Linux kernel of differential equations, bro. They just got all of them. They literally just got all of them. It's like drivers. Okay, so the real question is if it hangs. Because I feel like it might just hang. Yeah, I'm sus, dude. Is this... Oh, it did. It finished. That's so big. One error report. What? For package UUID golf model? What does that even mean? That is the package. Let me ask. Oh, wait. Did I... Oh, okay, you know what happened? I know what happened. Oh, missing source file. I'm stupid, bro. It's because this needs to be renamed to golf model. Bam. All right, let's close this out. Let's just make sure that we can do using golf model, and then I'm gonna go on a run, and then when I get back, I'm gonna feel like a fucking $1 million. And of course, this thing is so fucking stupid that I'll probably have to recompile everything over again anyways. Where is that? Bro, it looks into my source code? Come on. Let's try that again. Oh, wait, but I bet did revise? Revise loaded, I guess, right? I guess revise loaded. So then maybe we're fine. Pre-compilation hell. Yep, that's great. Okay. Let's start it over. Oh, great. Yeah, another thing that's broken. Fucking God. It's so psychosis, bro. Wait, so this, we want to just delete this file. Alright, so let's rename this to Newtonian unforced single pendulum. Okay, so now can I finally do using golf model? Can I actually finally use what I worked on? Okay, great. So let's go through this then. And this is going to be using golf. All right, cool. So we finally have run a single line of code. Nice. That's awesome. Oh yeah. What did I do? Oh, you can't put a, yeah, okay, that's fine. Oh, because it thinks it's a get. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's just see if we can get the Lagrangian of this thing. Wait, what happened? L? Oh yeah, because this needs to be Lagrange. This needs to be golf model. Is this still broken? Oh, oh, I can't believe that, dude. That's so fucking stupid, bro. Oh. They still don't have autocomplete for your own package. It's like, who the fuck is... It's just so sad because it's such a good programming language. Yeah. TN needs to be T. What happened? Oh no, this code broke, dude. Wait. Hold on. Oh, is it because I'm actually supposed to provide the function? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to provide the function. So this needs to be single, what is it called? Single pendulum Lagrangian. Okay, so we're supposed to pass the function. Okay, good. So nothing's wrong. Let's then get rid of that. Okay, D is not defined. D is not defined. So we actually want to provide D because we want to have it be independent. You know, you want to be able to use it for... Okay, so imperative effect, but is that what we're... Okay, so there's a... No method matching imperative effect, type of stop effect. Okay, so we need to go back to the news, right? Because what happened? Calling semantics. So wait, hopefully the docs are up to date, right? Can we go to events? Okay, so someone's just rewritten all of this stuff, so we'll have to reread all this, but this seems like what we had, but it failed. So discrete context, nothing. So what happened? Why did that not work? No method matching, imperative effect, stop effect, imperative effect, any, vector symbol. So let's just look at this thing. Whoa. So do I just put true? I wonder if I put in what, theta 1, L1? No. So I'm not sure. Vector of symbol? Is that what I had to do? Here's an example. System, continuous reflect, BB effect. But then why do they have this thing when it's this thing? Which is it? Okay, well, in any case, that means that we should be able to just do this thing and just do stop effect and then an empty thing like this. Fucking, okay. So Q, oh, fuck yeah. Hell yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. So, okay, so then I want this to be U, oops, Newton meters. What is that? What is that unit? Times, do I have to do times? Do I have to do this? Newton times meters? Meter squared kilograms per second? Yeah, that's Newton meters. All right, let's try that again. It failed again? Units, but this is a torque. That's the thing. This is a torque. In equation 1, right, what is that? In some, wait, Q, wait, that's weird. Was that the new one? Oh, did I just not reinstantiate this stuff? In equation 3, what is equation 3? I love that that they say in equation 3, but then they don't show you what equation 3 is. Okay, so wait, hold on. I think if we do num 200, what is this type then? Oh, wait. Oh, presumably we can make it a constant torque, so we can make it like tau at parameters tau, and then this is going to be the unit thing. Unit equals U Newton times meters. Because I feel like what it's doing is you can't pass in a quantity. You have to, the system only works if it's, so then we do tau. Okay, but then this is F. I mean, really, we could just pass tau directly in. So let's just do that, tau. Okay, this should be 200, but it's not used. Okay, but what we want here now is that tau goes to 200 as its initial. So let's see if that works. Bro, wait, was that really what happened? No, wait, here, okay. So Q, I think it's because, you know what I think it is? It's just because, they set the values. All right, so let's just do this. What? No, but that's what I'm saying is, but, Dude, why does everyone think that units are not important? That's crazy. Why does it keep saying, stop telling me to turn off units, you freaking psycho, dude. Yes. Okay, so wait, we're gonna run this. So we have Q vals. Alright, so hold on. So wait, we pass in Q, but that gets called Q. Q vals equals Q. It assumes it, okay, that's good, but it's not that. Okay, so then we just can change this to Q. So let's see. Num has no field metadata. Okay, wait, hold on. Q, wait, tau. Tau dot val dot. Wait, what did it do? Okay, so what are units Q? Nothing. Bro, what? Okay. So we can just do this. Dot Q. Oh shit, though. Oh, okay, wait, hold on. Yeah, we need it. Oh, Jesus. Ins equals each index. Okay. But oh, good. Okay, wait. So wait, hold on. Let's do. Wait, hold on. If I do modeling toolkit get unit of 1, it just returns 1. Okay, good. So let's try this. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, good. I'm so glad that that distributed like I wanted it to. So this is sweet. Okay, so that's very good. But what about, do I need to do the same for V and X? What the fuck are you talking about? Okay. Yeah, this is so we want this. Oh. Okay, so we want and then we want to do this. Okay. All right, let's see if that works. That'd be crazy. Tau is present. Okay, that's fine. But here's what I wanted to know. Modeling toolkit.get unit of 1 times u meter per second. Okay, good. Good. So can we just try to give it a quantity of 200 times Newton times meters? Can we just try that? Damn it. Meter squared, kilogram, second squared. Wait, what? Meters squared, kilograms, second squared. Meter squared, kilogram, second squared. What? I'm pretty sure it's because what is this? This is a quantity. So, okay, wait. What I'm thinking though is that in P, why don't we just add tau and then just do this? Let's see. I mean, we just need it to work. This is looking good. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. This sometimes you get GPT into a part of phase space where it's like completely stupid. And it's like, why are you being so stupid? Okay, but we did it. All right, so single pendulum with Lagrangian formulation with units. Let's go. You just have to do it with a parameter, but that's totally fine in my feeling. So let's just put this down here with Lampsa. Okay. All right. Oh, I'm really happy about that. Let's also check that this is good. That was actually pretty sweet. That was pretty cool. All right, so Okay, so this is great. Change name of project. Um, get a united, a forced single pendulum with validated units in Lagrangian formulation. We just need to change the thing on GitHub, which I'll do after the stream. We're gonna get the make it an actual package. Make this an actual package with stuff in the module. All right, and I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and then fix lag to sys to propagate units. It should propagate all metadata actually, now that I think of it. But wait, let's just make sure that we can simulate this. So we have the system, right? Single. Now let's try to simulate it. Oh yeah, we need to do, right. So we actually want to do, oh good. Wait, does it not get the integrator? How do I get the integrator? Bro, they lied to me. But simulation broken. Oh yeah, upgrade to modeling toolkit 10. Name tuple has no field T. So what we need to do is we need to figure out if we search in the event handling and we just look up integ. Oh wait. Okay, so generalized functional effect support. Okay, so this is broken, right? So this is broken. Do I just need a, what is this? This is mod, because mod okay, this is mod. So what if we just did in our event a couple of these bad boys? Wait, no, what? Wait, no, let's go to the event. What is in the event? Integ is no longer, oh, it's, okay, so it's mod, obs, integ, context. Wait, what just happened? What? I swear, what? I swear I've hit this issue like stochastically. What is causing this? See, I don't know how I got that. I must be overwriting something weird. That's got to be what it is. Oh, because P is getting overwritten. Yeah. Okay, wait. So this is user 0 P. Okay, wait, what was the deprecation again? It's that you just give it as the second thing, right? You just do merge. Merge. Okay, so this is just going to be this thing. And we can just get rid of this. Okay. So something happened and my simulation broke. Isn't that fucking great? Please tell me it didn't actually. Nothing has no field T. Okay, wait, hold on. Name tuple, name tuple. Context is the integrator? Okay, that's great. So this is a lie? This is a lie? Is that what they're freaking telling me? That's a lie? That's such a joke, dude. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, isn't that great? What? What is that? Generated right back. Oh, is it because I have to return a name tuple now? I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Fuck yeah. All right, very good. Now let's plot the velocity. 40 meters a second with 200. Okay, good. All right. So I think that is that. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. We have proper units. Because the thing is, guys, remember, it's not about it seeming right and sounding good. It's about being right and being good. All right, let's go on a run. How long is this stream? An hour and wow, that's kind of long. I did kind of get locked in at the end there once I started going. And then I guess I need to change that because how did we make the system actually? In lag to sys, what does it do? It calls ODE, but I think that we're supposed to change this to just system, and then I think we're just supposed to do MTK. I think it's called MTK compile now. So I didn't see a deprecation warning, but I think that we're supposed to do that. Defaults Q dot. Oh, actually, you know what? We're supposed to, because I don't think we do set them. It's not like it matters because we do it in the ODE system, but or the problem. Defaults is a kwarg. Yeah, defaults is a kwarg. So we actually want to do this. So we're gonna rename this. I'm gonna put this here. This is gonna be called defaults. And then we can just do our fancy defaults. Oh yeah, hold on. Oh wait, damn it. Okay, let's call it defs. Defs. All right. It still didn't work. No method matching system. Oh yeah, well that's because we need to do defaults equals defs. Oh, and there we go. Okay, so we have improved things significantly. And you know what we should do? We should do this too. And that should have units attached to it. Okay, cool. So let's just make sure that we can simulate it. Beautiful. All right. prop gate defaults to lag to sys. All right. Very good. That was satisfying. See you guys later.